Are you tired of slow mornings, stubborn belly fat, and skin that just won't glow, no matter how many creams you try? Well, what if I told you that a simple, natural drink you can make in 2 minutes could melt stubborn fat and reveal a natural glow from within? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to make this powerful 5-ingredient morning detox drink, plus why it works. Stay till the end. I'll also share how long you should drink it for best results. And don't forget to subscribe to Glow and Slim Eats for more health, weight loss, and skin glow recipes that really work. Let's be honest, your skin and your weight both reflect what's happening inside your body. This drink targets both. It's packed with fat-burning compounds, skin-brightening antioxidants, and powerful ingredients to flush out toxins every single morning. Before we dive into the recipe, a quick reminder: always consult your doctor before starting any new diet or detox routine. Now, let's unlock this glow-up drink. You only need 5 simple ingredients. 1. Lemon juice for vitamin C, fat metabolism, and skin radiance. 2. Grated ginger, a natural fat burner and anti-inflammatory. 3. Turmeric for detoxing your liver and brightening your skin. 4. Raw honey, natural energy and antibacterial skin support. 5. Warm water to gently activate your digestion and flush toxins. These ingredients are easy to find, cost-effective, and come with centuries of healing power. Let's talk about how each one benefits your body. 1. Lemon juice. Lemon is loaded with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. It boosts your immune system, speeds up fat breakdown during digestion, and supports collagen production for glowing, youthful skin. Plus, lemon helps alkalize the body and improves the liver's detox function, making your skin brighter from within. 2. Ginger. This is a star in fat burning. Ginger increases your body's internal temperature, a process called thermogenesis. That means your body burns more calories, even at rest. It also curbs appetite, improves digestion, reduces bloating, fights skin inflammation and acne. Ginger is perfect for starting the day with a flatter tummy and clearer skin. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. It detoxifies your liver, which is essential for breaking down fat, processing toxins that cause dull skin, regulating hormones, which affect both weight and acne. Just a small pinch every day can reduce breakouts and help your body burn fat faster, especially when paired with black pepper, optional, to improve absorption. 4. Raw honey. Unlike processed sugar, raw honey is full of enzymes, amino acids, and antioxidants. It boosts your metabolism, provides clean, steady energy, soothes your gut, and helps reduce oxidative stress that leads to aging skin. 5. Warm water. Warm water kickstarts digestion, hydrates your cells, flushes toxins, and allows all these ingredients to be absorbed more effectively. Cold water can shock your system in the morning. Warm water is gentler and more cleansing. How to prepare the detox drink. Ingredients: juice of 1 fresh lemon, 1/2 teaspoon grated ginger, a pinch of turmeric, 1 teaspoon raw honey, 1 cup of warm, not boiling, water. Optional, a pinch of black pepper to boost turmeric absorption, a few mint leaves for a fresh taste and extra skin benefits. Instructions: heat water until warm, but not boiling. Add grated ginger and let it steep for 1 minute. Stir in turmeric, lemon juice, and honey. Mix well and drink slowly on an empty stomach. That's it. Your Glow and Slim Detox drink is ready. When and how often to drink it? Drink this first thing in the morning, at least 15 to 20 minutes before breakfast. It works best when taken daily, consistently. Most people notice. Reduce bloating within 3 to 5 days. Clearer skin in about 7 to 10 days. Visible fat loss and energy boost within 2 to 4 weeks. Consistency is key. Don't expect overnight miracles. This is a natural detox drink, not a magic pill. But it truly works when you stick to it. Important tips for best results. To make this morning drink even more effective, avoid sugar-heavy breakfast right after. Pair it with a high-fiber, protein-rich meal. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Reduce processed foods and fried snacks. Add light movement or walking after breakfast. Also, don't overuse turmeric. Too much can irritate your stomach. Stick to a small pinch daily. Thousands of people have added this drink to their morning routine and shared glowing reviews. I've lost 5 pounds in 2 weeks and my skin looks amazing. My bloating disappeared by day 3. I feel energized every morning. Better than coffee, I feel lighter and more focused. Give it a try, and you might just be the next success story. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs a morning health reset. And don't forget to subscribe to Glow and Slim Eats for more glow-up recipes, weight loss tips, and beauty from within. Let this be your new healthy habit, because you deserve to feel light, beautiful, and full of energy every single day.